Picture this. You step outside and see the moon growing larger and larger, hurtling toward the Earth at an incredible speed. What would actually happen if the moon collided with Earth? As it approached, the first noticeable change would be a dramatic shift in tides. Coastal cities would be swallowed by the oceans, and its gravitational pull would send satellites spiraling out of their orbits, rendering them completely useless. Every single day, there would be earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. When the moon is just 11,000 miles from Earth's surface, Earth's gravity would tear it apart entirely, forming a stunning ring system much like Saturn's. For any survivors, the sight would be breathtaking, beautiful rings shimmering in sunlight. Nights would feature dazzling meteor showers composed of moon dust. I know it sounds catastrophic, because it is, but part of me wishes it could happen just to witness those rings in the sky. Anyway, let's move on to the next fact. Back in 1977, NASA launched two Voyager spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. These twin probes were sent into space to take advantage of a rare alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, an alignment that won't occur again for another 175 years. On their journey out of the solar system, they captured stunning images of the outer planets and investigated their moons for the first time. But these spacecraft are more than just scientific tools. They are farther away from Earth than any human-made object. NASA even considered the possibility of an alien civilization discovering one of these probes one day, so they included a special message on board, the Golden Record, which serves as Earth's time capsule. If humanity is ever extinguished like a candle blown out, this record might be the last evidence of our existence. It tells Earth's story through images, sounds, and science, featuring the greatest music ever composed, the sounds of nature, spoken greetings in numerous languages, and even recordings of children's voices. Carl Sagan and his team carefully selected more than 100 images to capture the human story. Now, before I show you this next picture, take a deep breath, because it's honestly terrifying. This is a real photo of astronaut Bruce McCandless floating 100 meters away from the space shuttle without any tether connecting him to the ship. During a 1984 mission, he tested a jetpack system and simply flew into the vast emptiness of space. When asked about the experience, he said the most terrifying thing was the intense cold he felt as soon as he drifted away from the shuttle. Imagine the silence, just you, alone in space. And what if he had simply floated away? Truly chilling. When black holes collide, they send actual ripples through space-time at the speed of light. These ripples, called gravitational waves, compress and stretch everything in their path, much like ripples on a lake. NASA's Opportunity rover is one of the most successful Mars rovers ever sent into space. Originally designed to last just 90 days, Opportunity survived an incredible 14 years. Its final message to Earth was heartbreaking. My battery is low, and it's getting dark. Unlike the red and pink hues of Earth's sunsets, Martian sunsets have a striking blue tint. This happens because the fine Martian dust scatters blue light more effectively than other colors. Also, the sun appears smaller in the Martian sky because Mars is farther from the sun than Earth. Now, let's talk about Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky. It's a red giant nearing the end of its life, occasionally dimming and ejecting massive amounts of material. Recent research suggests it might explode in our lifetime. When it does, the night sky will glow so brightly you'll be able to see it during the day, and it will cast shadows at night. Black holes are perhaps the most mysterious objects in the universe. These incredibly dense regions of space have gravity so strong that even light cannot escape. While our galaxy may contain over 100 million black holes, they are nearly impossible to detect unless they're consuming matter. Supermassive black holes, like those at the centers of galaxies, create glowing accretion disks of material spiraling into them.